For our legal eagle this morning, Jim Higgins in from the Higgins Law Firm in studio. You know, we were talking during the break and want to talk right now about wrongful death lawsuits in Tennessee and who can bring about a suit. And this is based on an interesting case you were telling me.
Yeah, we were the first law firm in Tennessee to take this case up to the Court of Appeals. The law changed about a year ago. Traditionally, only a spouse or the spouse had a priority to bring a lawsuit.
Okay.
And that was it. And that law changed, and shortly after that law changed, there was a young lady who died in a car wreck here. She was survived by 4 children and a husband who had already left her and was living with another woman. Well, as soon as she passed, he filed a lawsuit, a multi-million-dollar lawsuit, and settled that claim. And we came in and represented the children and were able to take that case up to the Court of Appeals, and the Court of Appeals, and they agreed with us that because he had abandoned his wife, he couldn't profit from her death.
Yeah, I mean, and then there's the question about the kids. You know,
Right.
I mean, the 4 kids in that case, and what do they do? Tell us a little bit about, you know, the legal fights that can sometimes follow a lot of these cases.
You know, and it is, I guess, as short as I said what happened, that took about a year and a half to play out.
Yeah.
So, you know, and they're great kids. You know, you get to when you go through a fight like this, you get to know your clients, you should, and they get to know you. But in the end, I think there was a couple things that they really wanted, you know, and they're older now. They didn't want this person to get this money from the death of their mom.
Yeah,
right.
Right.
And to that, you know, when they needed it, because they are alone here, so they needed this to survive.
Yeah.
And 2, it was just a little bit sickening to have this person get the money from the death of a lady they loved, their mom.
So now, looking forward, I mean, it's so unfortunate, but if you ever find yourself in this kind of a case where you are filing a lawsuit in a wrongful death, some things that you should know. And if folks have questions, they can give you a call?
Oh, yeah, certainly.
Okay, all right, very good. Thanks for coming in, Jim.
Thank
Do
you.
appreciate it. Higgins Law Firm, by the way, over at 116 3rd Avenue, South Nashville. And feel free to give Jim a call if you have any questions. Have a great day.